So if you haven't watched the first round where we set up the interior of the book, that is in the other video. So I'm not going to go through that again, just for the sake of saving you from redundancy, if I can talk. So basically, all I need to do is go to paperback content and upload my cover. So I'm going to show you how I will do this. I'm going to download a KDP template, and it'll put through my, I can do a calculator essentially, and it's going to give me a template that's specific to my book. So I can say paperback, I'm using black and white, I'm using white paper. I always get this confused, left to right or right to left. I can always flip it if it's wrong. Inches, I know that this is my trim size, and my page count. This one's important. So I numbered my pages through to 175, but I know that there's first pages in there, so I'll just say 179. It'll be 1 or 2 pages off, I'm sure, but just for the sake of this. Okay, this picture that comes up is not the true template. The true template is under download template right here. But you'll also see very, very specific margins. If you were using a design software, this would come in very handy. However, we're using Procreate, so I'm going to show you exactly what I do, and it's worked just fine. So I'm going to download the template, and we're going to insert, yeah, I did do it backwards. That's okay. I'll flip it. We will insert this into Procreate, and we'll use this as a guide. So let me show you how I will do this. So what I'll do here is import the PNG file that was in the template into my final file. And I see that I'm a little bit over, but I'll just drag this. As long as I'm outside of the bleed lines, I will be happy. So I, just for ease, without a bunch of layers, because I don't want to confuse, I flattened everything. So this is my final file. What I'll do is bring this template in, and I'm just going to turn it down. Actually, you know what? I need to flip it so the barcode is in the right place. Oh, wait, flip the wrong layer. Flip this. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to decrease just so I can see the bleed lines through here. So all I'm looking at are the edges, and then inside the spine area, and to make sure the barcode is approximately in the right spot. And as long as nothing is past these little dashed lines, I feel good about it. So I'm just checking to make sure along the whole area that there's nothing cut off that I don't want cut off. And if all looks good, I'll just turn this off, and I'll send it over to KDP. I'll upload it as a PDF, and I'll just share PDF best. Once you have finished there, you can upload the cover file. And so you can do all of this from your iPad too. I just prefer to send it to my computer and do it that way. But I will grab the PDF, and then I will open it, and it will generate, and then it will show this little thumbnail here, and then you'll check the box if you're including your barcode, which I am, and then I will launch Previewer again because it's going to want me to do that. Otherwise, it'll prompt me to do it, so you can't move on. So it's going to save it, process it, and then I can see the bleed lines again here in the live previewer. So if I'm happy with that and I've already reviewed everything else, I can say approve. And then it will close, it will approve, and I will be ready completely. We've gone through everything else that we need to go through. So we'll do this together. This was like the perfect time to film this because this is happening right now. So I'm going to say publish. And then I get to go through the waiting period. So I'm going to show you what I am shown, as soon as this goes through. So paperback submitted. It prompts me to do an ebook. I'm going to, just not right now. Note, if it passes our review, up to 72 hours to purchase on Amazon. I haven't really noticed. I don't know that I've ever noticed that there's like 2 notifications, like one that the review went. I can't remember. Either way, I know that it's around 72 hours is what I've been familiar with. I've seen it happen as soon as like 30 something hours. So otherwise, you're going to get an email saying update this. So that's it. And that's all you have to do. And now you wait. And then it says in review right now. So it's that easy. So you can do this with coloring books. You can do it with tutorial books. You can do it with regular books, anything that you want. The world is your oyster. So create some art and make a book. Finished product now, and the cover looks great. The spine lined up great. The back looks great. And the inside, that was loud. The inside also looks great. And the border or the margins, it looks like I set that up exactly how I wanted it to go. So the preview worked out wonderfully, and I'm happy with this result. I'm very happy with it. So that's the full process.